Hey Meaning Weeds, this week I have a special video for you for teaching you how to draw a parrot. I grew up having parrots and birds as pets, and the picture you can see now is of my family's parrot, Kokomo. So this video is special to me because he was a good friend for over 30 years. Can't wait to see what you draw. To draw the parrot, we're going to start with the eye. You draw a circle, color it in, and then you draw another ring around that circle. Alright? To draw its head, start by the eye, make an upside down J. To make the beak, you make a curve like that, and go back and bring the J down a little. To make the bottom of the beak, you don't go all the way to the end, almost all the way, and you make a curve like that. Bring the J down. Now, bring this part of the J down a little more. Now we're going to start to make its back. Go off that way. Make it slightly bent. Alright, from here you go back up, but don't go all the way. And there's the wing. Alright, bring this down for the rest of the neck, and then curve it out to make the bird's belly. Now this will go into the tail, and you make it nice and long and thin, because the tail feathers are thin. Then for the feet, a line straight down, another line straight down, and looks like a banana. And then draw a straight line here, and then another banana behind, and you can put him on a branch. Draw a straight line. And it could be any kind of bird, but I like to think of it as parrot. Feel free to color it. Can't wait to see what you do.